Alright, so, I'm back. So today, I was taking a look at the new Demco 22 Series Grain Cart. It's a sweet and awesome, beautiful tractor. And yeah, on that dumb hired worker, makes me mad. Oh well, we'll get it on the return. But anyway, got the 8410 out here. Right now, so yeah. So anyway, but yeah, um, yeah, we also have the GLX 9000 Phoenix. So anyway, yeah, if you guys haven't seen the last episode, I showed this thing off. This big freaking chungus. So anyway, I have decided that I'm gonna have a scale on this with an electric tarp. This is how it's gonna come completely set up like this, unless I want the rear hitch. Yeah, I'll be having this. It'll actually look like this, legit. I ain't kidding. When I get this thing, because this will be what I use to clean up my buildings when I have like corn or soybeans in them. So when buildings get full and you need a big grain cart to haul it all out when you have the conveyor system, this is your guys' grain cart. So, this will actually legit help out a lot, considering I'm gonna have two beanhead trailers. I can hook one of them up to the back and pull it home with this. How sweet would that be? Hoo-wee. Yeah, it's a big boy. Needs 240 horsepower to run it. And I mean, I got a legit 261 horsepower John Deere 8410. Or we could use the Case 9330. But anyway, last episode was 57. This one's 58. The last episode will be tomorrow. Because that is also the exact same day that this season is the season finale is tomorrow. So guys, if you want to stay tuned for that, watch me take all this stuff out, line it all up. you guys can. If you guys want to. I'll be leasing a couple of the tractors that I'm going to be getting from the farm. Yeah. So yeah, it's going to be a hectic day tomorrow. Considering I got school. I got a full day of school tomorrow. And then, yeah, I had a graduation party yesterday. So, yeah, congratulations to Missy Oswagon for graduating. She's my cousin, and life just wouldn't be the same without her. She's my cousin, so, yeah. Just congratulations to her, and see how we're just... So, my cousin Missy will be going to Hawkeye. So, I know I shouldn't be sharing all that information out with people, but, yeah. So, yeah. Just, yeah. Anyway, we had a graduation party yesterday. That was a long party. That went until 9 o'clock last night. So, anyway. It's gonna be long day tomorrow, because I got work experience at Fairway, and then yeah, work experience at Fairway tomorrow, so I'm gonna enjoy the fudge out of that. Not really. Because tomorrow is my last full day of being in school, and then I get out at 11 tomorrow. But Tuesday, I get out at 11. But anyway, just gonna grab these two stalks, these two rows of corn here, because yeah, don't think I haven't driven a combine before in the game. Just trust me, on Bucks County, it sucks. Stinks. Just absolutely horrid. To have to do a whacked out field like the one I have. Not the one I have right now. That this is easy for a... You just hire out of work and well, bam, and you're almost done. But anyway, I'm done with field 3. So I just want to get harvest done. hopefully today, and then wash everything up, and then whenever I get done, and who knows, the last episode may be today, maybe tomorrow, whatever, but anyway, stay tuned probably for tomorrow, because that's when that's probably when the last episode will happen, because it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be great. I mean, this horse is not bad, but so anyway, here we go. So now, anyway, gonna go and grab the tractor, and I'll see you guys in episode 59.